Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we will be building part 3-33C, the boiler feed Clack ball valve for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-33C, the boiler feed Clack ball valve for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up part MMGS. Alright, so which one you go to, just make it make it a sphere. So let's go to this one. From there to there to there. Straight line, straight down. That's going to be a circumference of diameter 8, so 4. So raise, thank you. Raise of 4. That's good. Why is that not? Let me do these two as, and that one as parallel. There we go, locked in. Beautiful. Feature, revolve. We want axis will be there and done. But it's going to be stainless steel. So steel. Steel. There it is towards the top. Oop, there. Let's see. Stainless steel, no, I don't want knuckled. Probably steel, that'll do. That'll do. There we go. So that's part 3-33C, the boiler feed Clack ball valve done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So the next episode, we're going to be assembling these 3 parts. So I'll see you next episode. And thank you for everyone's support. Click the like button, subscribe, comment. It does help me out. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And you get notification when more videos come out. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.